We are pleased to show you the 2022 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.